Hey everyone, it's RCCH here. You know that feeling, right? That itch, that deep down burning desire to just get up and go, to explore the world, see new places, experience different cultures. But then, reality sets in. Work, bills, responsibilities, and that trip of a lifetime starts to feel impossible. Well, guess what? It's not. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of budget travel, arming you with the tips and tricks you need to make that dream a reality. Let's do this. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about planning. I know spontaneity is great and all, but trust me on this one. When it comes to budget travel, a little planning goes a long way. We're talking flights, accommodation, the works. And the golden rule, book early. Remember that flight tracker you obsessively checked for months? Yeah, those cheap fares don't stick around forever. The early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the cheapest flight and a better chance at that awesome hostel room. Now let's talk airlines. I get it, those first-class cabins with the lie-flat beds look amazing. But let's be real, we're on a budget here. That's where budget airlines come in. Ryanair, EasyJet, Southwest, you name it. These guys can be your best friend when it comes to saving some serious cash. Sure, you might have to sacrifice some legroom and pack light, but hey, it's a small price to pay for a cheap flight to your dream destination, right? Next up, accommodation. Forget those fancy hotels, we're diving into the world of hostels and Airbnb. Hostels, my friends, are budget travel gold. Not only are they super affordable, but they're also a fantastic way to meet fellow travelers from all walks of life. And Airbnb, another game changer. From cozy apartments to unique homes, Airbnb offers a wide range of affordable options that often give you way more bang for your buck compared to traditional hotels. Alright, let's talk food. One of the best parts of traveling is experiencing the local cuisine, but eating out for every meal can quickly drain your budget. The solution? Eat like a local. Ditch the tourist traps and seek out local markets, street food stalls, and family-run restaurants. Not only will you save money, but you'll also discover some hidden culinary gems and get a true taste of the local culture. Finally, let's talk activities. You don't need to spend a fortune to have an amazing time while traveling. In fact, some of the best experiences are absolutely free. Explore the city on foot, discover hidden parks and gardens, check out free museums and art galleries, or simply soak up the local atmosphere. And hey, don't underestimate the power of a good old-fashioned picnic in the park. Thanks for watching. Remember, traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, some savvy decision-making, and a thirst for adventure, you can make those travel dreams a reality. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks and adventures, and share it with your friends who are ready to explore the world on a budget. Safe travels, everyone.